Well, howdy, howdy, howdy again. We have another unboxing, and I actually know who this is from. This is from Dave at Aquarium Thoughts, because I won one of the giveaways. And I'm very, very excited to open it up. And you know, it's kind of ironic, because I got this yesterday. And Thursday, all my favorite fish family guys who have live streams are on. And it was like, I gotta do the unboxing, But did I do the unboxing? No, because Dave was on. And what I chose with my gift certificate is very well wrapped. Okay, it's wrapped in itself. And we go round and round. And I absolutely love hoodies. And this is one of the hoodies. And I'm putting it on a hanger rather than me. And hopefully you guys will be able to see it. It is the Keeper of Fish hoodie, which I really, really like. He has so many cool choices. And even Leo agrees that the Keeper of Fish hoodie rocks. Oh, look at that. Totally beautiful. Let's see if I can show it to you better. Probably not. But anyway, let's see. It's a most awesome hoodie, and I'm definitely looking forward to wearing it and enjoying it during these upcoming cold winter storms that we have. And this is anticlimactic because I ordered something else and it's not in the bag, but that's okay. I'll shoot Dave a quick email and we'll get to do another Dave at Aquarium Thoughts unboxing. So, thank you very much, and I will talk to you later. Bye.